Yes, first of all, I think that was a very important victory, not only because we won the 3 point, but also in the way that we play. I think that we return to our normal performance, to be an attractive football, to try to score goal. I said last game after we lost against Arsenal, it's very difficult when you lose the game to talk on positive things, but I think that we have more than 60% percentage of possession of the ball, so that give me some signal that we are returning to our style. That was very important today, also to score 4 goals and to create at least 4 more clear chances. In the other way, well, of course, the news of Vincent is not the best news. He was ready to return. I didn't want him to play the whole game because we have to play so many games. But he worked the whole week with normality, and really it's difficult to understand what happened. So we will see tomorrow with the doctor report. Well, I think that both things are linked. When the team has a good performance, it's because all the team play well, because we made a good build up, because we make good movements in attacking. And also, if it's impossible for a team to have a good performance if you don't have individual high performance. I think that both things were together. Some players raise their performance, and the team play in the way we normally work every day of the week. In that sense, it's difficult for Kevin when he play with. That's why we brought him, because we know that technical players playing with David, Kevin, together with Yaya, with Kun, make a difference. And today, I think that that they made it.